Hello friends, welcome to Unified Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 28th September. Let's start. In the year of 1837, on this day, the last Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah II took over the rule of Delhi after the death of his father. In the year of 1895, on this day, French chemist, microbiologist Louis Pasteur died. He gave the theory of pasteurization of milk and successfully tested the rabies vaccine. In the year of 1923, on this day, Ethiopia left the League of Nations. In the year of 1929, on this day, Swar Nightingale Lata Mangeshkar was born. In the year of 1950, on this day, Indonesia became the 60th member of the United Nations. In the year of 1958, on this day, Constitution came into force in France. In the year of 2001, on this day, Operation Enduring Freedom was launched by US and British forces and allies. In the year 2004, on this day, World Bank named India the fourth largest economy in the world. In the year of 2006, on this day, the Taliban announced Bin Laden was alive. In the year of 2006, on this day, a French medical team successfully operated a man in a near zero gravity. In the year of 2007, on this day, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration launched the special vehicle Dawn. In the year of 2008, on this day, Shiv Prasad Singh, the famous Hindi literary, passed away. His major works are Dadi Maa, Karnasa Ki Haar, धतूरे का फूल, नन्नो, एक यात्रा सतह के नीचे, राग गुजरी, मुर्दा सराय, अलग अलग पैतरनी एंड गली आगे मुड़ती है. In the year of 2011, on this day, Chief Minister Mayawati announced the creation of three more districts, namely Panchsheel Nagar, Gautam Budh Nagar, and Sambhal in 72 districts of Uttar Pradesh. In the year of 2012, on this day, Brajesh Mishra, India's first National Security Advisor, passed away. In the year of 2015, on this day, NASA scientists announced the discovery of running water on Mars. In the year of 2015, on this day, AstroSat, India's first observatory dedicated to astronomical research by ISRO, was successfully launched by PSLV from Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. It is India's first satellite dedicated to the study of distant celestial bodies. In the year of 2018, on this day, up to 50 million Facebook accounts were hacked due to a vulnerable code. In the year of 2019, on this day, Elon Musk unveiled the SpaceX spacecraft Starship, designed to travel to Mars and the solar system and return to Earth. In the year of 2020, on this day, Saida Anwar Taimur, the first and only woman Chief Minister of Assam, passed away. A four-time Congress MLA with her first election in 1972, Taimur held portfolios like education before becoming Chief Minister for a brief period from December 6, 1980 to June 30, 1981. In the year of 2020, on this day, Appointments Committee of the Cabinet has appointed P.D. Waghela was appointed as the chairman of the Telecom Regulatory of India. He had replaced R.S. Sharma, who was at the helm of the sector regulator for 5 years. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Maharashtra government had announced the Gan Samragni Lata Mangeshkar Award for the year 2020-2021 to veteran female playback singer Usha Mangeshkar. This award is given by the Cultural Department of the state government. In the year of 2020, on this day, ICMR's vaccine web portal and National Clinical Registry for COVID-19 was launched by Dr. Harshvardhan, Minister of Health and Family Welfare. This vaccine web portal will provide information related to the development of the COVID-19 vaccine in India and abroad. In the year of 2020, on this day, Ministry of Home Affairs had approved the setting up of three additional branches of National Investigation Agency at Chennai, Ranchi, and Imphal. The move is expected to ensure quick response to any emergency that may arise in these three states. In the year of 2020, on this day, Director General of ITBP SS Deswal was given additional charge of the Counter-Terrorism Force National Security Guard NSG as its chief. AK Singh retired on 30 September. This was the second time that Deswal, a 1984 batch Indian Police Service officer, was redirected to lead the NSG in an additional capacity. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.